Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the stock portion of the 2026 Firecracker 400. We got CRK. We've got and new track record holder, Puff. And then we got not Puff. We have Flip. And then we have Puff. My bad, guys. I'm trying to wake up from a nap. But yeah, so here we go. Let's do it. Firecracker 400 stock style here at Duplin County Motor Speedway. Let's race. First off the trailer will be Puff going in lane number 1 versus CRK number 44. Here we go. Oh, and CRK goes off 1469 to Puff's 1503, and we'll switch. Next up, all right, so CRK in 1, Puff in 2. Puff's got beat up 1469 to move on. Here we go. Oh, and CRK goes off 1457. The Puff's 1505, and CRK will move on. Next up, we've got Flip taking on CRK. CRK going in lane number 1 versus Flip going in lane number 2. Here we go. Oh, and Flip goes a 1458 to CRK's Flip goes a 1440 to CRK's 1458, and we'll switch lanes. All right, Flip in 1, CRK in 2. CRK's got to be to 1440 to move on. Here we go. Wow, Flip goes a 1442 to CRK's 1470, and Flip will move on. Next up, we've got Flip taking on Puff. Puff's going to go in lane number 2 versus Flip and his Ricky Rudd Tidy Whitey car, old Tide. Guys, if y'all don't remember old Tide car, them things used to be fast. Oh, and Flip goes a 1456 to 1446 to Puff's 1514, and we'll switch lanes. All right, Flip in 2, Puff in 1. Puff's got to be a 1446 to move on. Here we go. Whoa, Flip goes a 1438 to Puff's 1496, and Flip will move on. Next up, we got Flip's Richard Petty car, number 1, versus Puff's 44 car. Oh, and Flip goes a 1437 to Puff's 1491, and we'll switch lanes. All right, so Puff's got to beat a 1437 to move on. He's in 1, Flip in 2. And Flip goes a 1448 to Puff's 1482, and Flip will move on. All right, so Flip, Richard Petty in number 2 is going to be in lane number 2 versus versus Puff in lane number 1. Here we go. And flip goes a 1492 to puff 1490, and we'll switch lanes. All right, so puff's got to be to 1442 to move on. He's in 1, 2, flip in 1. Here we go. Oh, flip got a little faster that time. Goes a 1434 to puff 1501, and flip will move on. All right, so the final 5, we got flip with his 4 and CRK with 1. So let's get racing. Second round. Actually, this is podium, to be honest with you. We have 10 calls. So thank y'all for sending stuff in. It wasn't really a short race today, but thanks to Puff and Flip and CRK for sending cars in. Let's get to racing. All right, so we're going to go flip versus flip. Start off with. Oh, and the STP going a 1442 to Ricky Rudd's 1445. And we'll switch lanes. All right, so the Ricky Rudd car has got to beat a 1442 to move on. He's in 1. The STP number 43 is in 2. 1. Here we go. And the STP goes a 1445 to the Ricky Rudd's 1452. And STP number 1 will move on. Next up, we've got CRK going in lane number 1. Taking on Flip's 44 car. Going in lane number 2. Let's see what happens. Oh, and Flip goes a 1434 to CRK's 1448, and we'll switch lanes. All right, CRK's got to beat a 1434 to move on. He's in 1, Flip in 2. And Flip, goes a 1427 to CRK's 1455, and Flip will move on. All right, so Flip's second STP, we're going to get a run in. He's going to go in lane number 2, and he's going to get a free pass by himself. He'll start in lane number 1. Going a 1446, and he will move on. All right, the final 3 will be STP 2 versus STP and Flip's 44. They're all Flip, so take it. All right, so we've got Flip's STP cars. Here we go. Oh, STP number 1 goes a 1438 to number 2's 1440. We'll switch. Number 2's in 1. Number 1's in 2. Here we go. Woo! Wow, 1429 to a 1431. And number 2 will move on. So, these 3 will battle for 3rd, 4th, and 5th. These 2 will battle for 1st and 2nd, even though they're owned by the same person, Flip. All right, so Flip versus Flip, the STP in 1, Ricky Rudd in 2. Oh, STP going a 1440 to Ricky Rudd's 1441, and we'll switch. The STP got to be the 1440 one to move on. No, he does not. Has a 1447 to a 1448. And the STP will move on. Alright, CRKs in 1. Flipping 2. Here we go. And flip going to 1448 to CRK's 1457, and we'll switch. Alright, CRK's got to be the 1448. He's in 2. Flipping 1. Oh, and flip going to 1444 to CRK's 1467. And he will claim 3rd place. So, for 4th and 5th will be Ricky Rudd flip against CRK's 44. Here we go. Oh, and Ricky Rudd going to 1437 to CRK's 1449. And we'll switch. Yeah, guys. So, CRK's got to be the 1439. He's in 2. Ricky Rudd flips in 1. Here we go. Trying this angle now. Oh, Ricky Rudd got stronger, going up 1435 to CRK's 1457. And congratulations, you claim 4th place. All right, so for 1st and 2nd, baby, the STP versus number 44, both owned by Flips Racing from the great state of South Carolina. And let me know if y'all like this new angle, what I'm about to do. Oh, the 44 going to 1430 to STP 1431. And we'll switch lanes. So, the STP's got to be the 1430 to win. He's in 1, the 44. Maybe old Bobby Hamilton is in 1. Oh, we will not do it, but the 44 goes a 1439 to a 1443, but it's not good enough. Oh, that. So the king says he is number 1. So that'll do it. Here from the Firecracker 400. In 5th place from CRK would be the number 44. From Flips Racing, Ricky Rudd, number 10. The king, number 2, would be number 43. From Flips Racing, number 44, Bobby Hamilton. And the king of the 2026 Firecracker 400 stock race is Flip. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. What a domination by Flip. And congratulations to everybody who's been sending in cars for all these races. I'm just trying some new stuff. If y'all like that angle, let me know. If you don't, that's fine too. We'll see what we can do. But I'm going to continue to have races. The Street League will be coming up next. And if you podium within the calendar year in any race, you get 5 points for 1st, all the way down to number 1. 5th place will get 1 point, all the way up to 1st place will get 5 points. And and all the races will be on Redline Derby. So if you have 10 cars, if you podium 5 to 10 times in December, we'll have a championship. And if you podium 10 times, you're eligible for 10 cars in the championship. So if you must do so if you want to. So, the schedule will be coming out here in Redline Derby for another races here in the next couple of weeks, days. And congratulations to Flip on the new track record with a 14:21 in the mod race. And I got some packing up to do this week to send a bunch of cars out. So anyhow, remember, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you at the fastest eighth of a mile in the world here at Duplin County Motor Speedway. All the fans are like, yeah, Flip, yeah. Anyhow, so remember, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.